Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So guys, as you know, we are always diving deep into the SHIB ecosystem, really trying to figure out, what is going on and stuff. But sometimes it's just important to look at the overall crypto picture, okay? Just to see, what are the general rules here? What is the general picture? When do we go in? When do we strike it hard? And this is a great article. When is the perfect buying opportunity? Because many of you know that, cryptos really is about buying in the right moment. So, a lot of you bought when it was very cheap, just like myself, 0.3, and you did an absolute killing out of it, okay? And there are still more opportunities like we have right now, so let's just see what they have to say. So the crypto investors always look to time the market by buying at the lows and selling at the tops. However, such attempts are not always successful. While there are multiple indicators that help in evaluating peaks and troughs, their accuracy gets skewed at times. Several great months with positive ROIs can be registered during macro bear markets. Likewise, crashes can transpire during ongoing bull markets as well. Recent analysis by Econometrics pointed out that there is not much of a difference between the distribution of monthly returns during bull and bear markets, as illustrated below. During several bear markets, both ETH and Bitcoin have fetched investors returns greater than 50%. Similarly, the severity of corrections during bullish phases have resulted up to 30-40% monthly depreciations. Only during the first bull market after ETH launched, a deviation from this trend was observed, okay? So you guys can see, more or less what happens. Monthly returns, here we have each point is a monthly return, bull markets, bear markets, and then we've got, Bitcoin in orange, Ethereum in the pink, okay? So even though it's not possible to exactly figure out when the market transitions from one regime to the other, investors can strategically seek entry positions. Newsletters author noted that the underlying lesson is not wait for a clear bull market to take a position, but rather execute whenever an opportunity arises, chalking out what to expect going forward. Econometrics thread on X. The macro story is pointing a recession in the coming quarters. That means you are likely to get buying opportunities in the near future. Be ready to seize those opportunities, okay? So another parallel analysis by Sentiment brought to light a host of assets that are worth keeping an eye on, okay? And obviously here they're just talking about some assets that people are looking at, but guys, let me break it down to you. You need to really spot how the market, the overall crypto market, is also behaving. If you look at the overall picture, you have seen, it yourselves, guys. You cannot deny. Crypto market goes in dips and peaks. Simple as that. So you need to time the market. You need to realize if right now we're all dipping, then the next stage is the peak. So if you're holding something within the SHIB ecosystem, for example, okay, whether it's BONE, whether it's SHIB, you gotta understand that thing is going up. Either way, okay. So right now it could be bleeding, could be having a hard time, but it is going up, and we need to be there, okay. We need to go in hard. We need to seize these opportunities. Stop, complaining. Stop. Looking at the short-term picture. Always look at the big picture. The big picture looks bright, it looks nice, and we all are just required to wait. Simple as that. Pretty much preach this every single time. I've said this many times, and those that are going in and saying, oh, okay, it's over, it's done, it's an absolute lie, because they are the ones, okay, that could be actually benefiting from it, and they could be funding on purpose. So you sell your bone or SHIB, whatever, they take it in cheap. So time the markets, understand where we are right now. You can clearly see how, you know, everything is kind of bearish. Money isn't going into cryptos, but it's fine. It's fine. I mean, I can be patient. I can wait it out because I have nowhere to rush. I went in with, you know, the mentality that, hey, you know, I go in, I invest, okay, and I am prepared to wait because I don't need this money. I don't need it right now. It's not, you know, the end of the world, this money for me. But for others, you know, they seem to be investing money that they can't afford to lose. And this is why they're always panicking, they're always freaking out. And that is not the right way to go forwards. So if you are invested in Bone, what do we have? We have the exchanges, the big ones that still need to list it. Also, we have, you know, the bullish markets that need to come in. Also, we have, you know, the social media hype that's going to go in from all the big projects that are going to start investing. So Shibarium is going to start really, you know, going strong. So these are very important points. These are points that create, you know, demand. And a lot of that bone is going to be staked away. So that is going to affect its supply. It's going to limit the supply. So when demand is high, low supply, you know, basic principles of economics. Okay. So learn this, understand this, and go in strong. Go in strong, okay? With a strong, clear vision. Stop, you know, seeing the short-term points here, okay? Look at the long-term. Be you know, powerful in your mind, and write down a good plan with everything that we need to go through. And especially, you know, with the Bitcoin halving, with that bullish market that is coming, I am gonna be there, okay? And if the last bullish, you know, the big bullish spike that we saw with no utility for Bone, when Bone was an absolute nothing, okay? That was, I think, 2021. Bone went over $3. Now we're 10 times, okay? Even more, bigger, more holders, more everything, more money in there. So we should be, you know, going 10 times that number. So imagine if it was $3, we might be going for $30 or higher. You know, I've even talked about going as high as $100. So the marks, okay, the objectives are very high, and we need to be hitting it. And if you think it's the end, if you're looking at the price right now, you're thinking it's the end, you are so confused, ladies and gentlemen. You're very confused. So leave your thoughts down below. When is the perfect buying opportunity? How do you see it? Also, if you have any thoughts in regards to this article, leave it down below. Let's talk, let's discuss. So don't forget to turn that notifications bell on with a subscription button. Very important. And from my side, big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.